This manifestation technique always works, no matter what it is. This is the one trick that has helped me manifest my college, my jobs, my health goals, various trips, everything. Just this one thing is the solution to everything in life, literally. And if you want to manifest, you have to learn this. I have talked about it in various of my videos, but I think this deserves a separate video to tell you all how to practice this and how you can achieve everything just using gratitude. Yes, gratitude is the answer. And in this video, I am going to give you the reasons and 3 ways through which you can use gratitude every single day and manifest your goals in record time. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. Now, why does gratitude work so much? Like, why does everyone talk about being grateful, you practicing gratitude? Why is it so much good? I talked about reticular activating system in one of my videos. You can watch this here. So the main function of RAS is that if we are thinking of something, we are going to see that in real life. So if you are thinking about a green pen or a green car or a green dress, next day you are going to see lots of green cars or lots of green pens, even though you haven't seen in last 4 or 5 months maybe. And that's because whenever we think about something, our brain thinks of that thing as true. There is nothing negative in our brain. So if we say that I am lazy or I am not being productive, your brain literally thinks of this as truth. Your brain do not have the settings of jokes or sarcasm. Brain does not understand any of this. Brain thinks whatever you say is the truth. So this res is the reason why gratitude helps so much. So when you're already saying thank you for a great job, thank you for this person in my life, thank you for making all my dreams come true, even when it is not true, your brain thinks these are facts and gives you proof that these are already done. And you can actually grab those opportunities, use those opportunities to manifest all your goals very, very easily. So how to use gratitude every single day in your life so that you can actually manifest your desires. Now, the first habit that you have to do every single day is being grateful the moment you wake up. When you wake up, whatever day it is, first say thank you for everything in my life. Whenever you wake up first, think about something you are grateful for. I know life can be tough, but there will always be a reason to be thankful for. If you are thankful for your life, then when you start the rampage, this is called gratitude rampage. So when you start saying that thank you so much for my life, the next thing you will see that you are saying that thank you for everything in my life. Then you can say thank you for everyone in my life. And then you can say thank you for the sun, thank you for the water. If you already have something that you work towards and you already got it, like you already have a job, you're already studying in a college that you want, then say that thank you for this college, thank you for this course, thank you for my friends, thank you for my family. Whatever it is, you will have things to be thankful for, even if it is just water. Start saying thank you every single day when you wake up, and you will see how much your day will change. Because when you say thank you first thing in the morning, your brain thinks that you want more things to be thankful about. And see, and if you complain or if you think of bad things, oh my god, I have such a busy day today, when you first wake up, I guarantee you it won't lessen the stress, it can increase though. So it's best to be thankful about. It's not costing you any money. If you listen to me for just 1 week and be grateful towards everything, I promise you, you will come back to me and comment like how much your life has changed. I know I am repeating myself 100 times because this is that important, and I want you to understand like how much important it is. That's why first thing in the morning you have to be thankful. Now, second, when we are paying bills or when we are giving some money that we don't want, see, no one wants to pay rent every single month, right? Because it costs a lot. But see, if you are paying rent or if you are paying electricity bill or if you are purchasing vegetables or groceries, it's not something we love, but we have to do, right? So at that time, we are not that happy. So when you are doing this, be thankful to yourself that you have the money to buy that. See, if you are seeing this video right now, I'm guessing you have a smartphone. So you have the money to pay groceries, and still buy a smartphone, or your parents maybe bought you a smartphone. So they have that money extra that is not required just for basic needs, that you can buy a phone, right? So be thankful for that. Be thankful that I already have that much amount of money that I can buy a phone. That is also a privilege, right? We sometimes forget because we want so many things in our life. I always say to dream big, but be also mindful of how far you have come, right? You have faced lots of adversities and still come here. So you can definitely go a long, long way. But you have to be thankful for where you are right now. Or you already have a job that you get to go to. Stop thinking of things like I have to go to a job. You get to go to a job. How many people are there who do not have a job? Right? Or you get to go to a gym to exercise, and your brain will also start to understand that you have so many things. So it's not a big deal for you to go to the next level. If you already have money to pay your bills, to pay your rent, or you already have a job that pays you all those things, your brain understands that okay, I have the basic need, I have the basic wants, so I can think about those great things that I want in my life. Or even when you are going to exercise, for example, you get to go to the gym, so you have that subscription, if you have that time to actually go to the gym, how much of a privilege is that? So you can actually exercise and use that time, right? So that's why whenever you think of something that you do not want, think of it like I get to want this thing. Thank you universe, or thank you God, or thank you higher power, grateful that you have the opportunity to work on this thing, to work on yourself. Like these are all privileges that we sometimes forget. And now the third thing that I'm going to say is mix gratitude with your daily habits. So one thing that I do is that whenever I am drinking any water, I say that thank you water for making me the healthiest person alive. When I am saying these things to the water, I am giving the power of my words to that thing. So every time I drink water, I am saying great things. You do not need every single day 30 minutes to practice your affirmations. You do not need to always meditate. I understand sometimes we don't have that much time to meditate. I prefer to meditate before I go to sleep. But see, you don't have to meditate if you don't want to. You can just use the water you are drinking. Or maybe when you are going to work, you can say that thank you universe for giving me the time to go to your work. Or when you are bathing, you can say like thank you universe for showering me with all your blessings. Like it can be very, very, very simple. You have to use your habits and use affirmations along with that. And you will see that these are like magic tricks. The water drinking trick that I told you, the showering trick, these are like my favorite ones that I always use. And they have given me things that I did not know are possible. So yeah, I can say that these work tremendously. And I promise you, once you attach your gratitude, your affirmations with your daily habits, you won't feel like these kind of like chores. You will understand that these are so easy. There is no downside at all, right? I have talked about gratitude in all of my videos, but I wanted gratitude to have a special video because this is something that actually going to help you manifest and will help you live the best life that you ever. So before 2025 starts, don't forget to practice your gratitude, and these three habits and these three practices that I told you are going to help you tremendously. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for always supporting my videos as always. Thank you for commenting, and I hope you like these videos. So thank you so much. Bye.